Hello eCam fam. This is day 3 of creating video every day in April. Well, I'm standing here in fact close to my neighborhood, and sadly it's a very difficult time because we are experiencing a terrible war, and as you can see all these fences here along this fence, which is by the Catholic Church. People have put a lot of signs and messages about what they think about this war in Ukraine. And the reason being is that why these signs are here is that we are in fact by the Russian embassy. So you will see the Russian embassy when I turn the camera a little bit this way. So here in the back, this is where the Russian embassy located in Helsinki is located. So this is basically the reason why people are reacting very strongly, and they have expressed their opinion very loudly many times. That will continue until this situation is over. So while we are very happy to be here and see this area, very sad also to see what's going on. And Helsinki and Finland is sharing a border with the east neighbors about 1,800 kilometers. And so of course it touches us a great deal of what's going on. But saying that, I just want to give you an update where I am, and also to give you an idea where Helsinki is. And on the third day of eCam create a video every day in April, I just want to give you a report of this area of Helsinki.